Good morning! So I'm out for my morning run and I'm multitasking. We gotta stretch. Blaze got new kicks, so we're gonna put them to good use. He's a growing boy.
Showing my new tread.
I want you to see. New tread. What's new tread do?
Make me run super fast up the hill and run super fast down.
Super fast! So I have this recipe that I kind of picked up from online somewhere and tweaked it a little bit for my family because I can't follow a recipe. I really struggle in that department. Seriously disobedient. I'm working on that. Anyway, so we get on the boat all the time and it's really nice to have things to throw in a lunchbox or a cooler for dipping. And I'm totally fine telling my kid that he's allowed to eat raw cookie dough because my Blaze is a cookie dough eating machine. By the time I ever get anything onto a cookie sheet, it's legit half the recipe. On your mark. Get set. Anyway, here we go. So, to-go foods. The best thing about having boys. Look, it matches my outfit perfectly.
I love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Yes. To-go food. This is a really awesome one. All you do is you get yourself some chickpeas. I like to use the organic ones, but it's expensive to buy them in the can. So do yourself a favor. Yes, please. And buy the dry ones and just put them in a saucepan. And then let them soak up with their water, cool them off, and store them in the freezer. You can divide them up, portion them out, put them in the freezer. Okay, back to the recipe. Chickpeas, vanilla, a pinch of salt, and your dates, stevia. Put it in a high-speed blender, blend away, and you have yourself cookie dough! So then, dip that baby up with some apples, graham crackers, celery, something fabulous. And I almost forgot, you need 1/4 of a cup of nut butter.